Morning campers. Well, I didn't get to London like I thought I would. I've ended up stopping off at Walton backwaters. I had not enough wind and the tide were against me, so yeah, it was taking quite a while, so I've decided to stop here it's just south of Felixstowe. It's a creek that floods, and it's a nice little anchorage. You can just turn up to these places. They're dotted around the coastline of the UK, places you don't really get to see when you're a landlubber, as they say, but I'll just show you around where I've ended up. Seal. Must be camera shy. Hopefully this works. I've just spotted a seal out. You can just about make it out in the camera. Shame the camera weren't ready. Could have zoomed in a bit better for you. But yeah, that's something else you don't see every day. I was saying as well, I've got a trip in August to Cows Week at Isle of Wight, and me and my brother are going. I've got one place left, so if anyone fancies coming, there's two options. I'm sailing from Felixstowe round the southern coastline to Portsmouth. I'm picking my brother up at Portsmouth, so if anyone wants to come down and meet me with my brother at Portsmouth, or if you're feeling really adventurous, come down to Felixstowe with me. Have a 4-day trip around the coastline. I'll probably stop off at a marina along the way. The marinas themselves are pretty good. They've got shower facilities, toilets, everything's there. It's home from home. But sadly, the boat, it's not a super yacht, as which you can probably see by my pictures, but it's got everything you need to get by. With two of you, makes life a lot easier as well. But I'll take you down and show you some of the facilities. It is very basic, which I think you've already got. Here, you've got your toilet, good old bucket, as they say on the bucket, multi-purpose. Now this works. Lift up this, lift up this. There's your toilet. Try not to do your number 2s, but if you're really desperate, it's possible. Try and just make it number 1s. And wait till you get to the marina for your number 2s. And then here is your cooking facilities. As you can see, you've got your sink. That reminds me, that's peanut butter. Gas stove, kettle. Could be my kettle boy or girl, depending who wants to come. But yeah, this is the view when you sit on the toilet. Look at that. This is how it's used. You can rest your head on here. You can put the kettle on. It's all there. Depending how much you pay as well, you can have the honeymoon suite at the front there, or the cabin boy's bed over here. This is the captain's bed. No one sleeps in the captain's bed. Alright, walk the plank. You don't want to be walking the plank, it's very cold, that water. So, if you like all that, give us a shout and I'll give you a bit more info. One thing I won't do is I won't sail anywhere that I'm not confident in sailing. As you've probably gathered, I've spent the last 2 years studying to day skipper level, so I've got my competency to sail. There may be a little bit of night sailing, but it's nothing too dramatic. Try and stop off in some marinas along the way so we're not exhausting ourselves. Keep fed and watered, and all being well, get Good weather and fair sailing, fingers crossed. And you never know, you might enjoy it. Buy yourself a super yacht. Join the club. Thanks for watching, ta-ta for now. Beautiful day, I'm looking for something new to do. I go sailing. Woo!